Hello guys, we're back for in our part 2 on Hello World, but now we're gonna do different kind of things here, small things, but just basics. We not going to do intermediate things. Okay, we're gonna do some calculations whereby 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, whatever. So we're gonna say num1, which is gonna be number 1 equals 2. We're gonna say 3. Then we declare another number called num2. It's going to be number 2 equals to 4 equals to 8. Then we're going to say total equals to, this is going to be our total. It's going to be equals to num1. You copy this num1. Num1 plus num2. Then you save. Then we want to print out this total, so we should get the correct results. They will say echo. Those who wants to use print is fine. In PHP you can do this, then you put your stuff in here, then you print out. So we're gonna go to our page where we saved it and we say refresh. So it gives us 11. So is that true? Say yes. 8 plus 3, 11. So let's change this number. We make it 3 and we save. I'm gonna say 6. Okay, we're done with addition. So we're gonna look into we're gonna minus that, then let's see how it's gonna happen. Say yes, we got the 0 here because we say 3 minus 3, it will give you a 0. But if we say 8 minus 3, gonna give us how? Give us 5, which is right. So if also you want to do to multiply, you just say put a star. PHP uses a star to do its multiplication. So yeah, you can see it tells us 24. Say 8 times 3 is 24. So what about if we make it 3 times 2? It's gonna say 6, which is right. So we can go and say also, if we want to say divide. So division, you just put this /, then you save, then you say, it says if you divide that 2 divided by 3, it will give you 0.666666667. So let's try to see an easy number, which is gonna be 6 divided by 3. You're gonna see everybody gets 2 and they walk away. So I think that's all. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna keep on doing some simple basic stuff in PHP so that you get to learn like step by step. PHP is a very, very easy language, so I would recommend you guys to learn it, and it's used by a lot of people and a lot of companies. So I think I love it. So please don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna come back in part 3 to see what we're gonna give you more. So my calculations are done, so you can start here and build your own calculator. Okay, bye bye guys.